Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to change your name on Fantasy Premier League if you have kept a stupid name or the name that you just don't like. So, at first, you gotta go to the FPL account. You cannot go to the Premier League and go to Fantasy because it does not work that way. You need to go to the browser. I'm using Chrome as of now, and you need to go to the fantasy.premierleague.com. This is the official website of the Fantasy Premier League, and after you are in, you got to log in into your account or create an account if you don't have it already. And if you don't know how to create an account, you can check out our video on that as well. So after you are inside your fantasy, you'll see many options at the top. This is the navigation bar, and you'll see pick team right here at the top. So to change the name, you got to click on that, and you can see that my name is Bad as of now. And as you scroll down, you'll see my name again, Bad, right here. This is my team name, and to change this team name, you gotta go to this admin, and below admin, inside admin, you can see team details. So you click on that, and right here at the top you'll see team details, and you can edit your name right here. Create, login, delete. So after you go down, you'll see update details right here, and after you click on that, your name will be updated from Bad to create, login, delete. So this is how you change the name on FPL or Fantasy Premier League. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.